the concoction of cress seeds and honey. This elixir delivers a myriad of wellness boons, elevating your well-being. For starters, cress seeds, also known as halim seeds, are packed chock-full with essential nutrients. We're talking about minerals and vitamins like iron, folate, and a good dose of vitamin C. Blend these nutrient-dense seeds with honey, and you've got yourself a dynamite combo for health. Honey, naturally abundant in antioxidants, joins forces with cress seeds to amplify your body's defense mechanisms. Specifically, they gang up on free radicals, thereby mitigating oxidative stress. Plus, this combo ain't too shabby for digestion. Both ingredients boast natural laxative qualities. Together, they promote a smoother, more regular bowel movement schedule. Feeling under the weather? This mixture serves as a natural remedy for common colds and respiratory ailments. The antimicrobial properties in honey synergize with the anti-inflammatory nature of cress seeds, providing a robust fortification against pathogens. For those worried about their skin,